Hello, my name is Marissa from Marissa Rocks It and Design by Geeks, and today I'll be showing you how to make this lamb face gift box. This would be perfect for Easter or for baby shower favors. The link to the SVG file is in the video description. Follow along with me and I'll show you how to make it. You're going to cut out all of your pieces on your machine, and then you're going to pre-fold the box piece along the score lines like this. Next, you're going to glue your eyes and nose onto the face piece like this. So the nose is down at the bottom in the center, and then the eyes are on either side. After you glue down your face, you're going to then put your head on top of the front of the box and glue that down. When you glue this piece down, don't put any glue on the ears because those are going to stick out at the side. So now we're just going to align the head with the top curve of the front of the box. Next, we're going to form our main box shape, and we do that by placing glue along this side tab here. And then fold that around to meet the other side of your box. And once that's in the correct position, we can press that down to have the glue hold. Next, we're going to do our sides. So we're going to take these two sides and we're going to bring them together in the middle to form a point like so. And what I like to do is I like to put a little dot of glue at the point to keep those 2 points together. So I'm just bringing those in at the point, and then I'm going to apply pressure from the inside until that glue sticks. Next, we're going to place glue on these angled tabs at the front and at the back so that we can hold our front and back of our box to those sides. I'm going to start with the front. So I'm going to place glue on these angled tabs here. And then I'm going to fold back my my front gently, and apply pressure until that glue sticks to those angled tabs. And then I'm going to repeat the same process with the back side. Once the glue is dry for the front and the back, you can then glue on the tuft of hair. So I'm going to place a little bit of glue at the top of the head. And then I'm going to take my little tuft of hair and glue that onto the top. Once the glue is dry, you can then fill your box and then close down the flaps to close the lid. And there we go, it's all finished. Thank you so much for joining us, and happy crafting!
We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.